one thing I need you to understand about one saying: it is not about you are right or you are wrong. It's about money you lost while you are wrong, and how much money you lost while you are right, or how much money you risk while you are wrong, or how much money you risk while you are right. That's the most important aspect of the trading psychology and terminology with respect to money management concepts you need to understand. With it compiled together, risks together, aligned them together, I'm very sure with a good trading plan and a good strategy and also a good trading system.
This is AGA Forex. Good 21, and today is the last day for our promo with respect to our bot. What I want you to understand with this our bot, I want to show you exactly how you can be able to install our bot and how you can be able to use our magic bomb trading bot. So if you look at this, I have a live trade already going on, and it was a bot trade. The bot just took the trade from me. Look at it here. The bot just took the trade from me just some few minutes ago. Look at it. And this is a real account. You can see this is drive server. So this is a real account. So this, I'm testing the real bot here. I'm testing the real bot here. So that's what you should understand. So I think let me just reduce the TV and the stop loss. I think let me just reduce it to 10 pips because I'm going to scalp it now. Let's say take profit 39 from where it entered. And take from where the it's okay. The market enter at exactly 10,519.96. So 10 pips will be 10,509. 10,509. 10,509. 29.125. You can see I have already adjust the pips, so I'm waiting for the market to hit TP now before I continue explaining what I want to explain for you. So what you need to understand with this our trading bot, is very simple and easy to use. Anytime conditions are met, the bot will automatically take a trade for you. Let me screenshot the entry that the bot has already taken and sent to you, so that you should see it. It's good you see it. Modified. It's good you see it. 509.91. It's good you see the trade. Let me just upload it to my channel so that I will just show it for you. Using 1 minute chart. Okay, this is the confirmation that makes the bot took the trade, because anytime there's a confirmation like this, after this crossover, I think after this crossover, what is it called? Because I'm trying to make sure you have seen everything we are doing here live. Despite this is a real account, I need to show you the screenshot of how we get the entry, and after I show you that, I'm going to show you how you will install the bot. For those that bought our bot, I want you to see how you can be able to install it. You see, this is our algo bot. You see, it's already on, it's trading, and here is you can change the settings here. You see, I put my default distance to 0.1, but sometimes it's just, say it don't used to take trade like this with system. I show you how to reduce your lot size, but it only works after the trade has been executed, and you can use that with fun. You see, the market has just one pip to take profit for me on this position I just took now. Just one pip. Look at it here. Just one pip for the market to take. Just one pip. One pip for the market to take TP. One pip. One pip for the market to take TP. Just one pip. So let me just put this one here. Let me upload it in the VIP small group, small account VIP. Small account VIP. Small account VIP. Let me see if I can be able to look at it here. Look at this. Look at it here. This is it. This is our entry. This is where I screenshot it from phone so that I can send it to you. This is where the confirmation button, and this is where the EA entered the market. This is exactly at this point. Let's see, the market is all the market, just one pip for the market to hit our TP. Market hit TP. Market just hit TP now. You see, this is the trade that the market take from this point to this point. This is where the market hit TP. You see, and this account is just the small account that have been traded by us, because we have a small VIP that we are trying to show people how to trade with small account. So that's why we are able to generate that particular signal, and it has ended up in profit. 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 So what you should understand with this is that anytime you are trading, you should understand that whenever you are waiting for confirmation, you should also note that that confirmation is very, very important. Because if you are trading the bot, anytime the moving average, anytime those moving averages cross that one, it will take a trade. So, but if you are using this strategy, you will get the second confirmation before you continue with your trade, which is very, very good and okay for you to use. So I'm very sure you understand how our bot works, because it just automatically took a trade. Now I've shown you the trade. This is our starting point here, and this is our end point for it, and I'm very sure you are okay with it. So now, for those that have the demo bot and the real bot, I think from tomorrow I'm going to release the demo bot for all my free members, so that you can be able to test it before you buy. Just that we have some adjustment, and for those that want to scalp it better, you can see I just take 10 pips in front of you now. 10 pips. Look at it from here. I just take 10 pips. This is why the market enter. This is why it enter. 10 5 20. 10 5 20, and that's how I'll be able to scalp this market to 5, almost 12. Let's no, not 10. You see, around this point, you see 509. Let's say 510. Let's say 10 pips here. You see, and that's how you can be able to get exactly what you want. And this account, you see, is even at $1. So I told you, even with $50, you can be able to trade with our bot. For those that want it, you can see this account is just $50, and it's the same account that we have been giving signal in the, what is it called, small VIP account, and you can see how the profit margin was cool. You can see. So it's the same thing with that our big account also. It's the same thing with that our big account also, because in this small account we always used to scalp. So it's very, very good when you scalp. You can see in just less than a week now, we are able to get almost 60% of our account. in just 3 to 4 days now. Let's say 5 days highest. You see, we are able to generate 60% of that account. 60%, because $50 we generated a $31 profit in just 5 to 4 days. So you can imagine the success rate of this bot. So for those that want to scalp market 10 pips, if you want to get sure 10 pips every time, it's very easy to get with our bot. You see, the market is still continue going down here, and had it been I wish I would have leave the market to. This is where our 20 pips is. So let's see if the market can be able to come and reach this 20 pips or not. You see, so sometimes it's very good when you are trading. You should understand your market structure. You should understand the bot you are trading with. This is AGA Forex Magic bot. And you can see this is a real account. You can see it from here, Drive Server. So let me show you how to install the bot and how to even on it. Now let me off the bot first. Let me off it, and let me remove it. Anyway, let me not remove it, let me just leave it. So let me now show you how you can use it. So let's assume now you want to use the bot. So first of all, you have to go and copy your file, as in the file, the bot file. See, the market just spiked. You see, the market just spiked now. So that's why I told you, if you have a small account, please just be scalping with the bot. If you scalp with the bot 10 pips, your market will always hit TP. After every 10 pips, go out of the market. After every 10 pips, go out of the market. You can have as much as 10 to 15 sessions every day with this bot. And assuming you have let's say you have a $500 account, you can be able to use one lot and join the market. You can be able to use one lot and join the market, and the market will surely give you that 10 pips. So if you have 10 sessions every day, you get 10 pips, and you're using one lot probably. Every session you have $10. Every session you have $10. So you can be able to make $100 every day from that account, which is what? Which is 20% gross of that account, which is very okay for you to make. It's very okay and simple. So please understand how this bot works and how you can be able to use it. Now let me show you how you can be able to install this bot. Let me show you how you be able to install this bot in your system. This should be a premium video, but anyway, I will upload it to the channel tomorrow, today, or next morning. So let me copy. Assuming you copy your file, this folder is a bot folder. So this is the bot here, Magic Bot. You copy it here. You copy, then you come back to your MT4, then go to file here. Go to file. You see open data folder. You'll see go to MLQ5, open, and just paste your bot here. You can just paste. Let me just paste it. I already pasted it already, but let me just paste it so that let's show you what I'm trying to do here. Paste. They say replace. Let me replace it. Complete. You see, so the bot is here already. Then you can just close the folder and close the MT5 all together. You see. So let's open this thing here. Open the MT5 here. You see, it opens already. After it opens, then you can just go to view, navigator, and as you just open your navigator, you just check this where this expert, if it is closed like this, just open the folder. You'll see Magic Bomb here. You just double click on it. It will just show you that yes, do you really want to attach Magic Bomb instead of Magic Bomb chat? You say yes. You see, they show you. So these are the settings. These are where you are going to make your settings. Please, you need to understand this thing. All these settings here, this stop loss, take profit, and lot size are the most important ones. This 20,000 you are seeing here is the 20 pips. So if you want to make it 10 pips, you just write 10,000, 10,000. Sorry, 100,000, because this is 200,000. Excuse me. So we make it 100,000. 1, 2, 3, enter. This one too, you click, double click, and make it, let's say, 100,000. 1, 2, 3, enter. You see, and click OK. And you can still right click and check these ones again here. You can click allow modification of signals, allow algo trading, because if you do not allow algo trading, the bot will not automatically trade for you. So you allow algo trading and you click OK. So your bot has already been, so let me close this farm because I don't like to see it here. You see, so your bot has already been activated now. You see, you just have to come, for you to know that the bot is activated, you will see this place to be red, but green, but this is red. So for you to on it, you have to come to this place where algo trading and allow or prohibit algo trading. You just click allow. You see, so this one turns to red, and this is exactly where the bot has started being active. So now if there is any confirmation, the bot will automatically execute a trade for me. The bot will automatically execute the trade for me. So that's what you should understand. And sometimes you need to be very careful with how you trade, because trading bot is very simple and easy to use, but you have to use your sense while doing it. You have to use your sense. Let me not lie to you. You have to use your sense. You have to use your sense. Look at it. You see, despite the market spiked, but assuming we are holding that position to take 20 pips, we will still be in profit. Look at it, because this is our entry level and this is where the market current condition is. So one thing you should understand, anytime that condition met with the bot and your bot already take a trade for you, whether the market spike or it did not spike, spike is not a problem for you with respect to this strategy. Spike is not a problem to you. You are a threat to spike. So please understand how it works and how you can be able to understand it very well. So you need to understand that this market is very, very versatile and okay. So anytime you are using our bot, you have to understand that all conditions have to be set for the bot to take a trade for you. So anytime the bot take a trade for you, that's to show that the bot has already understand the conditions that the market need to meet before it took a trade, and it took a trade. And you can see currently now this bot is already in profit. This bot signal is already in profit. This signal is, sorry, I'm making this video, I didn't even post the signal in my group, but I will still make it. You see, look at it here, look at it here. So please, for those that did not buy the bot, today will be the end of our what is it called, our discount for the bot, but probably I will make it to be probably I may postpone it to Wednesday. For the sake of those that have been on my neck on it, I'll postpone it to Wednesday. So for those that want to buy the bot, you can contact my support manager. There's a 25% discount for all members, and there's a 30% discount for all VIP members. Nice to talk to you. See you in my next video.
قال ألم أقل إنك لن تستطيع معي صبرا قال لا تؤاخذني بما نسيت ولا ترهقني من أمري عسرا فانطلقا حتى